In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate from Pipedrive to Zoho CRM. By the end, you'll know exactly how to pull your access token from Pipedrive, point Zoho CRM to it, and kick off a clean, reliable migration without getting lost in menus. We'll start in Pipedrive. Sign into your account, then head to Settings. In the left-hand menu, open the Personal section and look for the API area. This is where Pipedrive generates your unique API token. Think of the token as a secure key that allows Zoho to fetch your data. Copy the token carefully and keep it private. Don't share it publicly or paste it into unsecured notes. If you don't see the API option, make sure you're logged in to the correct workspace and have the necessary permissions. Next, open Zoho CRM. Log in with an administrator user so you have access to the migration tools and permissions needed to import data. Using an admin account will help avoid permission-related errors midway through the process. Once you're in Zoho CRM, go to Setup. You'll typically find it via the gear icon in the top right corner. From there, navigate to Data Administration and select Import. This is where Zoho centralizes tools for bringing data from other CRMs. When prompted to choose a source, select Pipedrive as your source CRM. This tells Zoho which data format and structure to expect and enables the right connectors behind the scenes. You'll now be asked for credentials. Paste in the Pipedrive API token you copied earlier. In most cases, the instance URL will auto-populate based on your token and region. If it does, give it a quick look to confirm it matches your Pipedrive environment. Also, double-check that your pasted token doesn't include any extra spaces at the beginning or end, which can cause validation errors. With that done, click Migrate Now. Zoho will begin pulling data in the background. The duration can vary depending on the size and complexity of your Pipedrive data, so don't worry if it takes a little time. You don't need to keep the tab open the whole time, and you can continue working in Zoho while the migration runs. When the migration finishes, Zoho will notify you with an on-screen pop-up and send you an email so you don't miss it. That's your confirmation that the process has completed. If any prompts appear during the process, follow them on screen. They're there to guide you through any account-specific nuances. And that's it. You've now connected Pipedrive to Zoho CRM, provided the API token, and launched the migration from start to finish.